Good morning, teachers and friends. Today we are going to do an experiment about Ecoenzyme.
We are going to use the organic ways to do this experiment.
So now we are going to prepare our ingredients. It is
Yeast, sugar, lime peel, cucumber peel, water, and water bottle. First, we need to prepare 3 grams of yeast. Next, we need to prepare 100 grams of sugar. Now we have to put all the ingredients into the water bottles. Firstly, lime peels and cucumber peels.
Stop.
Second, we have to put on the yeast and sugar. And we have to put on the water. You have to close the water bottle and we have to shake it.
after shaking, we need to place our water bottle and a potato paste. Let's go! So every miss 1 month, we need to open the bottle cap every day to rinse the gas and prevent the water bottle from exploding. Let's see our result after 1 month. What is it?